Hello, this is Life App coming your way again. We thank you for being part of this family. You support us a lot. Today, there's another school that is having free application fee. That's giving free application fee. So stay to the end of this video so that you get to know the school and then how to do to get this application done without paying any application fee. This case in Canada. If you're not part of this family, please do well to hit the subscribe button and then like and share this. And share this. Yeah. I know a lot of people reach out to me through my like Facebook Messenger asking for asking questions and all those, but they don't really watch my videos. It's kind of pity or something like that. So please, if you love what I'm doing, please share it, like it, so that even Facebook will, sorry, YouTube will be able to show it to many people who need it. So yeah, because if I look at the views, at times it's like you have less view, but you receive even more messages than the number of views who who have it. So people will just see the thumbnail, and then because they know me, they'll just reach out to me without watching. Please do me that favor. And then subscribe to if you have not, shared to your friends if you believe what I'm doing is good. So we'll go through straight to the school, and then so this is the school, Seneca Polytechnic. It is in Ontario, Canada. It is in Ontario, Canada. As I always show you, I think. Yeah. So if you come here, this is their address. um, Toronto, Ontario, Canada. So that is their address. That is their phone number. You can call them. Like I always do, these are the programs that they offer. A whole lot of programs that you can choose from. And I asked, these are the intake. So January 2024. Some of the programs are still open for January 2024. But if you are not in Canada already, it's not possible to get into this program because even if the school admits you, it's not possible to get a visa, study visa to come in and do it. So you can try the May as soon as possible. They have few open, and most of them are still closed. If not open it, not available, and they've not opened it. And some are closed already, so you could see that some of them are filling up. September, where most are open. So I will encourage you, if you want to study, go for the September intake. Go for the September intake so that you have ample time to prepare with yourself for the visa and then everything. Everything. But you can still try May. The May. Yeah. So if you go to their website, they don't say any application fee. It's free. They don't say application fee. It's free. But what I did was I reached out to them, like I will show you. So I reached out to them with these 5 questions. So you could see I reached out to them with this 5 question. Do you have free application fees? If so, is it for all programs? Is there scholarship or financial support for international students? Is there on-campus accommodation for international students? Is there a deposit for offer letter? If so, how much is how much? And oh, I made a mistake. Is it refundable when study permit is refused? Do you admit international students to all programs? So yeah, and then they responded to me. See this, they responded. The good part is he responded, itemized it, and responded to all the questions. So the first one, he said that they are having an open house on the 25th of November. That is coming Saturday. Coming Saturday. And then a fee waiver code will be shared. So at that open house, they are going to give the application fee waiver code. So you wouldn't see this on their website, But if you attend the open house, so I'll put the link of the open house to the description so that you see it, and then you have to attend it. You have to attend to that open house. And then, like it said, scholarship is available. Scholarship is available. So scholarship is available for anyone who applied to, and then like scholarship is based on academic achievement, and then those financial need, if you're in need of financial, but you have to be a student first. So you need to be admitted into the school before you can apply to some of these scholarships. So it's available for international students as well. Then give the um, where you have to assess it. And then there's accommodation for international students, both on campus and then off campus housing. Accommodation is there where you can access it, more information. And then when it comes to the deposit, he said you will be advised on what will cost when you receive the letter of acceptance. So meaning there is a tuition deposit, but I think it differs from program to program or whatever. But so he couldn't say any amount here that this is the deposit we take, and then if it is refundable when your study permit is refused or something like that. So he said after you've applied and you've received your letter of acceptance, um, they will advise you on that. And then the programs is what I showed you, a whole lot of programs that you can take, international student can take. So this is what I have for you today. So the application fee is free, but you have to attend the open house to receive, have to attend the open house to receive the waiver. The open house is on Saturday, November 25th, 9 a.m. to 12 noon or noon. No. And know that this is in Ontario, so the time is Eastern Standard Time, EST. So if you're watching outside Eastern Standard Time, you have to calculate it and find the time that it will be in your home country. So those in Ghana, we think Eastern Standard is 5 hours, yeah, 5 hours ahead. You can cross check it. 5 hours ahead. And then you need to register for the open house because it will be done virtual. They are doing some like on campus and they are doing some virtual. But I said register. So please register first. Have to register for the open house for you to be admitted into the open house. I don't know, maybe they will send you the link so that you'll be able to admit to go into the open house. So you see, check the time very well. It is EST. It is not GMT. So check it. And it is 5 hours ahead. So if you're in Ghana, it's going to be like 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 2 p.m. Going to be at 2 p.m. in Ghana. So you have to check that. Well, so this is it. This is it that I have for you today. You get your waiver, you get your waiver code when you attend the open house. I don't know whether it's going to be one code or it's going to be individual code. So try to attend that open house. Open house. Yeah. Let me tell you this. I wouldn't be able to attend the open house and then get a code for you because the open house is on the Sabbath, and then on Sabbath, the 7 Day Adventist. So I'll be at church on Sabbath. So there's no way I'll be attending the open house. If it wasn't that, then I'll attend the open house and get more information to give you. So do this yourself. If it's something that you want, attend the open house. I'll send you the link. So thank you very much. Thank you very much. I thank you for still supporting me. Please do well to share this, subscribe, and then give me more subscribers, and then watch it for me. Share it to your Facebook, share it to your friends on social media, your groups that you are in. You could share my channel to them. If you think what I'm doing is very helpful and then it is helping you, please, I'm pleading with you, do that for me. So thank you. If I get any other information, I'm going to just give it to you. So if you have subscribed already and you've not hit the notification button, please hit it so that you don't miss the information when they come. So thank you. See you next time. Bye.